Hi everyone, it's Nat from Studio Hacks, and today I'm covering the latest update from Suno, where they've just added their most requested feature, which is the ability to use your own voice natively inside the platform. Suno has just released an updated version of their music generator, which is version 5.5. And the user base has been requesting ever since the inception of Suno for the ability to upload a sample of their own voice or provide one via a microphone so that they can have something that sounds more like them in their Suno creations. So basically you can do this through the Suno smartphone app. However, I suggest doing it through the desktop version, where it will be much easier to upload some audio of you singing or record it directly in if you happen to have a microphone. So it's actually really simple to do this. When you just go into Suno, if I just go to the home page of Suno, you'll see that everything about the update is right here on the front page anyway, and you can hit try now right here. They also have an updated version of the Suno Studio, but if you just want to jump into trying out the new voice feature, go to create, so where you would normally just create music. And you can see here, new feature, add your own voice to the mix. Select try now, and then it will give you this little screen here. You just have to select, I understand the creation of a voice involves processing of voice related data. So it's just basically a privacy policy, making sure that you do upload your own voice and not someone else's. However, you'll see in a moment they have a safeguard against that anyway. You basically have two options. You can record at least 10 seconds of yourself singing. If you don't have any audio equipment whatsoever, you can just sing straight into your smartphone or into the microphone of your computer. Ideally, to get the highest quality result, you'll be singing into a microphone that you have plugged into an audio interface, but I understand not everyone will have that. So you can just record with whatever method you've got. The other way to do it, which I reckon will probably be the best quality outcome, is if you have an isolated vocal track from a recording that you may have done, if you've done any singing or you've created your own music on your computer with a digital audio workstation, just bounce out just a vocal track and create a file with that. So I've got one here that I am going to upload. It's me singing the song Can't Help Falling in Love by Elvis Presley. You'll see that I got 1:45 of me singing there, and I'm going to select use voice. It's then going to ask me to speak a phrase that it's about to show, like a sentence or two, just to verify that this is actually my voice, and it will try and do a match to make sure that it's not me trying to impersonate somebody else. Sing a gentle melody with your favorite tune today. So now I'm just going to hit submit now that it's going to verify my voice. And this usually takes 1 or 2 minutes to create the custom voice. Okay, that actually only took about 20 or 30 seconds. So this is just asking how it would describe your singing. I would say that I am advanced or professional. So here we go. Now you get to name your custom voice. So this is me, Nat, Custom Voice 3. And I'm going to save that. Now, when you generate a song, you have to have the advanced selected up the top, and then you can then choose a custom voice model. So when you've got it on advanced, you've got this little option, new option here, voice, new. Click on that and it will have the voice models that you've created. That was the one I just created. And then you can then create songs with your own voice. Now, in my preliminary testing, I've had some mixed results. Some songs that I've created have sounded fairly close to my own voice, and others that I've created have been completely, like, it sounds absolutely nothing like me. So feel free to have a play with this yourself, upload your voice, generate some songs, and give me some feedback in the comments about how you went. So that is how you use your own voice in Suno now, which is one of the world's most advanced AI music generation platforms. If you found this content valuable, please like this video and subscribe to the Studio Hacks YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.